everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like having a cake today, so I'm going to bake a sponge cake and make a strawberry shortcake and using sponge cake as my base and decorate the cake. So join me as I show you how I'm going to decorate this cake, okay guys? First thing first is to line your baking dish with parchment paper. Do not butter your dish for this kind of cake, okay? And then afterwards we'll pour the butter on this. And I'm using 9x2 baking dish, okay? For the sponge cake recipe, you'll be needing a room temperature egg. I have a large egg here, so you'll need 6 eggs for this cake. And I have also 3/4 cups of sugar. So I'm using a pine sugar and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So make sure to sieve your flour, and I will be needing 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Also, you will need a stand-up mixer or hand mixer will be okay for this cake, okay? Okay, let's start by cracking 6 eggs into our bowl. And we will beat this for 8 minutes in high speed and slowly put the sugar in the middle of beating, okay guys? Okay, now is the time to slowly pour your sugar to your egg, okay? So after 8 minutes, this is how the butter look like. As you can see, it has so much volume. Yeah. So now we're ready to add our flour. So after you sift the flour, so you can add it slowly. Do not dump the flour one time, but slowly fold it into your egg. All right, so make sure you scoop the bottom of the flour so that at least it's completely incorporated with the egg. All right, okay guys? So yeah, so it's very, very easy. Just do it properly so your cake will come up really good and delicious. Now the butter is ready to be poured on the baking dish, so I'm going to do that. And also I have here the a strip, you know, baking strip that I got from the store, and they said once you use this kind of stuff, it will prevent a dome on your cake. So I'm going to do that and put it to my 2 baking dish. Hopefully it works, so we'll see. Okay guys? So we will bake this cake for 350 degrees Fahrenheit and for 30 minutes. So I'm going to throw it in the oven soon after I pour all the batter. So hopefully there's no dome. So I can't wait to see how this sponge cake will come out. Alright guys? Yay! The cake is already been baked and it doesn't have a dome. So it's only proof that the strip that I bought in the store does really work. So I don't have a dome on my cake for the first time and I'm so happy about it. Thank you, strip. Okay? For the filling, I'm using a strawberry jam that I got from the store. So I will be using like 3/4 cup of this jam, and then I have the fresh strawberry that I'm going to cut and dice it and mix it together with the jam and put it as a filling on the center of my cake. Alright guys? So now let's combine the strawberry with the jam. So about like 3/4 cup of the jam and the strawberry about 1 cup. So we'll mix them together and then refrigerated it. And this will be our filling for the strawberry shortcake. Now for the frosting, we will need cream cheese and whipping cream. So now let's start by mixing 250 grams or 1 pack of cream cheese, and I will add half a cup of icing sugar as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and continue beating it until the cream cheese become fluffy and creamy and well incorporated with the sugars. Okay, and then after that we'll work on the cream and then incorporate this to our cream. Okay, so your cream cheese will look like this. This is the consistency of your cream cheese. So once it properly been beaten, this is how it look like. So after we've done that, we can combine this with the whipping cream once we finish whipping the cream. Okay, so now the next step is to beat our cream. So the first thing I did is to chill my tools and my bowl for a couple of minutes and put in the freezer. And then afterwards I dumped 1.5 cup of 35% cream and start beating it in low speed, and then I went to high speed afterwards. Okay, I also added 3 tablespoons of fine sugar on my whipping cream. Okay, also in addition, I added 1 tablespoon of skim milk powder to stabilize my whipping cream. So that's the other things that I do to stabilize the whipping cream. So it holds because I did it before and it was able to hold my whipping cream. Okay, and then afterwards we can combine the cream cheese with my whipping cream. All right, so here is the consistency of your whipping cream. So as you can see, it's stiff. So now we're ready to combine the cream cheese with the cream. So the first thing I do is I get a little bit of the whipping cream and mix it with my cream cheese before I combine all of them together. So at least it will be easily incorporated. Okay. After we combine the cream cheese and the whipped cream, it's time now to start spreading our strawberry filling. So we'll spread it evenly on the first layer of the cake, and afterwards we'll pipe the whipped cream on the edge of this first layer of the cake. Okay. Okay, now let's start frosting the cake, which is the fun part. Okay. Okay, the cake is almost done. So after I finish the frosting, I will put it in the fridge for a couple of minutes and start working on the strawberry. So yeah, I kind of like it. This is delicious, guys. Okay, now I'm ready to decorate my cake. So the strawberry that I pick up in the groceries are the tiny and little strawberries. These are the entire strawberries, but however, they're very, very sweet. So what I did, I can't decorate it the way I like it. So I came up with a design that I cut the strawberry into 4 pieces and then created like a flowers and spread it like 7 pieces and then put the smallest strawberry on the top. So that's the design that I did on this cake, as well as I cut some of the strawberry and surround the cake with the half of the strawberry to create the design on the bottom as well. However, I created a rosebud on some of the strawberry, the center of those flowers, to make a little decor and sprinkle some of those silver candies. I think this is the design that I came up for this cake. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. So there you go, guys. I finished decorating my cake, my strawberry shortcake. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd like to say thank you to all the new subscribers and support to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And I see you around on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.